You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Tuesday after safe haven flows dried up and risk appetite recovered as a result of news from the G7 summit, where it was agreed there should be no rate targeting. The greenback ended the day at 1.3453 to the euro and 93.46 to the yen. Today's data includes advanced retail sales, which are expected to fall to 0.1% from 0.5% in January. Next to the euro. The euro bounced on Tuesday as the outlook for the eurozone continued to improve and risk appetite gained a lift from agreements made by leaders at the G7 summit. The single currency ended the day at 1.3453 to the dollar and 125.76 to the yen. Today's data includes industrial production in December, which is expected to show a minus 2.3% fall year on year from minus 3.7% previously and a 0.2% rise month on month from minus 0.3%. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Tuesday, falling after inflation figures showed a fall in consumer price index and then recovering as a result of a rise in global risk appetite. Sterling ended the day at 1.5662 to the dollar and 0.8587 to the euro. Today's data includes the Bank of England's quarterly inflation report, with current expectations that it might show a fall in growth. Japanese yen. The yen strengthened on Tuesday after agreements made at the G7 meeting lessened expectations that the authorities would devalue the currency as part of their program of aggressive monetary easing. The yen ended the day at 93.46 to the dollar and 125.76 to the euro. Fourth quarter GDP headlines the economic news schedule today, with a 0.1% quarter-on-quarter rise expected. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3405 with targets at 1.34.9 and 1.3525. The downside breakout of 1.3405, which will open the way to 1.335 and 1.328. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5635 with targets at 1.5705 and 1.57.4. The downside penetration of 1.5635, which will call for 1.557 and 1.5525. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 93.6 with 92.8 and 92.4 in sight. The upside penetration of 93.6, which will call for a rebound towards 93.85 and 94.45. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.